Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You have me, Mark, and for this nice, sunny, bright Monday, we have Jed Baruelo performing the song Nahuhulog. Nahuhulog in English is falling. Uh, yeah, there's no description of the song. So yeah, we're gonna find out as we listen. Anyway, um, before we give this song a go, I just like to extend my gratitude to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa channel. I hope na hindi kayo magsawa. Sana dumami pa kayo, and I hope that the blessings that you share with this channel comes right back at you tenfold. So without any further delays, let's give this song a go in three, two, one.
Bakit ganito? Kapabaw pala isipan ko. Kahit na umapaw ang pag-ibig ko. Ano ba ang meron sa'yong ngiti? Ba't parang kinang ng mga bituin?
Wish 1075.
Sa piling mo, ako'y di mapakali. Binibilang ang mga saglit, ninanamnam ang bawat sandali. Di ko hangad na agad nang matapos to. Kailan ba mauulit to? Ayoko nang kumawala sa'yo. Nahuhulog sa lupa ang puso ko. Nakatutunaw mga titig mo. Dahan-dahang mga hawak mo. Nabubuo ang buong pagkatao ko. Kapag ikaw nang kapiling ko, habang buhay dito lang sa tabi ko. Oh. Pakinggan mo ang mga kantang sinulat ko. Lahat yan ay para sa'yo. Huwag hiliwag ka nang malilito. Bakit ganito? Kumabaw ang palaisipan ko. Kahit na umapaw ang pag-ibig ko. Ano pa ang meron sa'yong ngiti? Ba't parang kinang ng mga bituin? Nahuhulog sa lupa ang puso ko. Nakatutunaw ang titig mo. At dahan-dahang mga haba nabubuo ang buong pagkatao ko. Kapag ikaw nang kapiling ko, habang buhay dito lang sa tabi ko. Oh.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Nahuhulog sa lupa ang puso ko. Nakatutunaw mga titig mo. At dahan-dahang mga hawak mo. Nabubuo ang buong pagkatao ko. Pag ikaw nang kapiling ko, habang buhay dito lang sa tabi ko. Oh. Hi, Wishers! This is Jed Baruelo. For more Wish exclusive videos,
And that's the end of the song. Well, my first comment is they should give a name to the band. Or, you know, just my thought. You know, uh, or maybe just use your surname, or like Bon Jovi, John Bon Jovi. He names his band Bon Jovi, something like that. I don't know. Uh, so now Hulog or Falling, I'd say that the song is basically um, all about that stage where you are starting to fall in love or to fall for a person. So it describes that feeling and some stuff. Like here, I wrote down some of the lyrics. So here's to describe the feeling of the person. So sa feeling mo, feeling is your like when I'm with you or in your company, di ako mapakali. Mapakali is, you can't settle. You're not you're it's like you can't just sit down and just stay put. Yeah, that's hindi mapakali. You can't stay put. Um, di ko hangad matapos to. Hindi or no or I can't. Ko is me or I. Hangad is desire or I do not wish or it's not my intent. Na agad matapos to. Matapos is to finish or to end. Agad is like abruptly or soon. So to translate, it's not my intention or I do not wish for this to end up abruptly. Kailan mauulit? Kailan is when. Maulit is to repeat. Ito is this. So when will this happen again or when will this repeat? Um, ayoko kumala sa'yo. Ayoko is I don't want. Sayo is it's actually two words. It's sa iyo. We just put them together. Sa iyo is uh, sa is from, iyo is you. Kumalas is to break free. So I don't want to break free from you. Or yeah. So it just goes to show how much this person is getting into that person already. And yeah, lyrics wise, it's light, it's moderately uh, how do we say this? It's easy to process. It's easy to understand because of the pace and the choice of words. It's very conversational, if I may. So let me take you to 304. So this is like the lead part. Surprisingly, they suddenly increased the tempo, a la something like a progressive band. So let's see how they did it again. Okay. So so there's that tag 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 taka, 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 dun, 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 then it's sped up. So my only feedback here. So here I like the tone of the guitar.
Exclusive.
So it's just a clean chorusy tone. So I wish that this is the same tone he just used on the pre-second verse. On the there he did this guitar fill on the sec before the second verse, and it sounded weird. Let's see. Let me just.
dahan-dahang mga hawak na bubuo dulong sa tabi ko.
Okay, so there it is, 136. Let's take it back to 136. Check out the tone of the guitar here.
Oh,
See that? Twing, twing. I'm not sure if it's the way he picked it or if it were the effect. It sounded that rather than a singular tone, that nice fat tone, there's something that constricted by a split second. Let me take that back again. See that? Yeah, it sounded like the effect. If you hear that, twing, twing, So it's like the wave of the effect. It's somewhat sounded constricted in that part, and I wish that the tone he used here was the actual tone he used for the lead part as well, just to for better clarity in his part. So nevertheless, it's a good song, and it's just me, my preference as a guitarist. So yeah, that's my reaction. From a band perspective, in general, standard setup: one bass, two guitars, a drums, and a keyboardist. So very cool to see again when the vocals is not the guitarist, is not solos, other members of the band. So in this particular band, it is the bassist who is also the lead vocals. So hopefully I pick up on some of the we are able to pick up some fans, some followers of Jed Baruelo and give us some recommendations. I would love to give them a go again, preferably live performances, concert shows and what have not. For now, that is our reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.